taking you today to one of the most scenic places for picnics in the country, ranked on the top in Ireland and in the top 10 in Europe. To get there, we need to visit West Cork and the Beara Peninsula with the fishing town Castletonbear. This is the place where we are starting our trip by the ferry to Beara Island. The schedule with table time stands at the ferry slip opposite SuperValue. Keep in mind about your departure and return in advance. The trip to the island takes only 10 to 12 minutes. After arriving, you will have a 2 minutes walk from the ferry to the restaurant, which is open only in the summertime. Opposite Lookout Restaurant, you'll find a big panel with the big map of the island. In this video, we will show you 3 options for this walk. Option 1. Walk to the lighthouse along the southwest shoreline and return the same way. This is the shortest variant. We start walking on the road for about 5 minutes, and at the T-junction we are taking right and heading west for another 10 minutes until the road is finished. Now we need to open the gate with a sign of Mad Bulls and walk on the gravel road for another 5 minutes until we get a small double gate to the last house on the west end of the island. From now, thanks to the marked posts, we are going only of the west. Once we pass the last farmer's gate, we have to walk for 3 to 5 minutes until we get to the marked post, which is diverting the direction from the old military road to the path on the left. That path goes up for a bit, then becomes flat along the steep shore and angling point. After 10 minutes, this path joined the old unused road. We are avoiding not forgetting this point on the way back. This unbeaten road is misleading people down to the shore. So we are heading straight and continue our walk uphill via grassland, small rocks, and some steps on the path until we get an unbeaten road again. Between the last point and this one, around 10 to 15 minutes walk. Above the lighthouse is the trail to the signal tower, the second highest point on the island. Option 2. The Lighthouse Clockwise loop. To make this walk at the T-junction, we need to take a left and pass a small grotto on your right. Continue your walk to the east for about 500 meters. At the crossroad, take a right. That road ends after 15 minutes. After crossing the fence with the gate, follow the gravel road to its highest point. You will need to find a path on your right with a marked post. This path is a bit steep, but it only takes 10 minutes to get to the top of the hill. The signal tower offers a stunning 360-degree panorama. Now, we have the last stage to get to the lighthouse. From the ruin of the tower, keep going west by a marked post. There's no more climbing, so the walk should take around 45 minutes. From the lighthouse to the ferry is around 1 hour and 10 minutes. Option 3. The lighthouse view from the Piper's Point. This is a trail that starts just a few kilometers west of Castletownbere. Right after you pass Dunboy Castle. To get there, take the road R572 out of Castletownbere towards Allihies. After 2 to 3 kilometers, you will pass a small marina, after which you should turn left. Drive through the old castle gate. On the way, you will pass the castle located by the lagoon. Follow this road to its end. This is where the coastal trail begins, which can also be traveled by bike. There are a few viewpoints along the way. Also noteworthy is the wild beach and a small island that can be accessed at the low tide. From the beach, the trail rises slightly, and after 15 minutes of easy walking, we reach a picnic bench. Here is the Piper's Point. It is the closest point from the mainland, from where we can admire the lighthouse located above Bear Island's cliff. If you're lucky, you can also see dolphins here. We saw a few, but they immediately dived when they heard the drone flying. liked our guide, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.